I'm the flatratemaster, and well, Milwaukee has a new line of hammers, and it got some pretty cool features. Now this is their dead blow. I think this is 48 ounces. Now keep in mind, a hammer review is only as good as the length of time you used it. So obviously this is, relatively almost brand new other than sliding on the ground doing the intro for this video. But one of the coolest features about this is that their entire line of automotive style hammers has a flat spot to put it somewhere. Why didn't anybody else think of this? Let me fix my hair real quick. That is something I genuinely love. Like, I love the fact that I can stand this up, because we've all been there trying to kick it with our foot, trying to get it to stand up so we can grab it because we're trying to hit something. And, if anything's going to fall, it's going to be a hammer, and better to put it on the ground and have it standing up. Now, it's obviously, this is a dead blow. And again, this is not the review because, well, I got to beat a whole lot of stuff with this to see how durable it is. That is the key. This is my Matco DB450 Zero, which I believe means it's a 45 ounce. I believe these are made by Trusty Cook still. This is my tried and true dead blow, obviously because it's orange. Not really. The snap-ons I haven't had the best luck with. They have destroyed on me. I've literally had to warranty them because the face was falling apart. This has been really good. I'm going to go do you a little shot of the faces. And that's after several years of use and abuse. And trust me, abuse. It's a hammer. It's got to take abuse. So this is not a review of this hammer, but I just want to point that out. That is not a feature on that hammer. I know it's not patented or anything like that. I don't know why patent just sounded like I was from the Midwest, because I am, but that is truly a very innovative feature that seems stupid until, but nobody thought of it until Milwaukee. So very cool. The Matco, the snap-ons, they don't stand up. I know I've harped on that enough, but one of the other things I really love about hammers that very few manufacturers really take into consideration is balance. As Thor said, it's not well balanced, you lose power on the swing. These are incredibly well balanced. It's easy for me to toss it up and do the twirl. That's a good design. The Matco, ow, that twisted a little bit and hit an injury on my thumb. But again, it's well balanced as well. So that is less of a, innovative feature to be well balanced. The Matcos are as well. I'm not gonna, harp on it's a hammer. I'm gonna beat on it literally and report back how it does, because this is definitely gonna have to be a long-term review. I'm not gonna be coming back in a couple weeks going, yeah, it hammers. It's a weight on a stick. Of course it hammers. It's gonna depend on the durability of the hammer, whether or not it's worth it for everybody. I mean, a hammer is one of the most abused things you're going to deal with by design. So I will report back after I've beat the living snot out of it and see how it does. One of my biggest uses for a dead blow is hammering in CV axles. You get them nice and lined up and you go boom, boom, boom. Well, that tends to put a nice little divot in the front of a dead blow. Just ask my old snap-on, because did many of those, and it showed the wear and tear of it. It has to be soft enough not to damage threads like a regular ball peen, because it's a dead blow. And obviously it's got the weight in it, the lead shot or whatever they use. which it's got that. You know, do a little Macarena, which probably won't come out on camera, but let's do it anyway. Ooh, Macarena. Milwaukee has a new line of hammers. I think they're a really good addition to their hand tool line. Obviously, 100% lifetime warranty. Talked about it before. Warranty programs for Milwaukee are usually very good. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.